Mehanni, and this week's active we're using a single dumbbell, and we're going to do a single leg kick through. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to kick the right leg forward, the right leg back. We're going to be hopping on the left leg, and you're going to be pulling the dumbbell back over that left hip, over, out, over, out, over, out, over, out. Woo! So it's a great exercise because you've got that rotational element, which I love. Also, you've got to really work hard with the left leg, which you're lifting up and down on. So you really feel it mainly on the left leg, doing the work, and then you feel it on the kicking leg, and then you might feel it through the abdominals, depending on how hard you're pulling back. But when you demonstrate on land, it's going to feel like it's more in the abdominals because it's working a bit harder on land, but not in the water. So you want to push forward and then kick through. Push, kick, push, kick. Make sure they turn their head to where the dumbbell is going. One, because it's going to help with more rotation, but secondly, probably more importantly, it's going to challenge the vestibular system, which as we get older, it's really important that we do more and more of. You don't know much about vestibular system, or you think it's all about being able to balance on one leg. But we actually have an education through M-Swing. I did this with another fabulous presenter, Mark Davis, and that's available on Vimeo. So you can get a whole education around vestibular training, why it's important with movement. You'll be able to implement that into your Aqua classes. So check that out on Vimeo. All right, so of course, if you've done it on the right leg, you need to do exactly the same thing on the left leg. Get that head movement, get that full body turn, get that hopping action on the right leg, and get your heart rate up. And that's this week's activity. Demonstrating the kick forwards and back with the dumbbell going over the hip is actually not a really challenging one to do on land. So you've got the leg going forwards, leg going back, and you're pulling that dumbbell forwards and back. So making sure that as you demonstrate it, you're also rotating. So the way I would teach this in a class is kick your leg to the front, kick your leg to the back. Both hands on the dumbbell, look over the hip of the leg that you're kicking. Make sure that you rotate your head and look back at the dumbbell as it goes past the hip. That's exactly how I would cue it. So sometimes when I watch other instructors teaching class, they get there in the end with all the cues and what they want, but they tend to focus on something that is the least intense or least important. So a movement like this, I'd start focusing on what the arms are doing, then add the legs. It's the legs that help drive the movement. So this is why it's really important to get in the water to understand how you create that movement pattern. And it's definitely the kicking action. So you've got to make sure you've got that kicking action and in the arms. Or in this situation, you can demonstrate both at the same time. Really important that you cue that rotation, that they look over their shoulder at the dumbbell so that they're getting that rotation. Hop a little bit when you're doing it on land because that will help with your balance. And that's this week's activity.